The LIGHTBOX EXPO Portfolio Review Lottery is now open. This is how it works. You can see that it's been divided into subject and date. Friday, October 27th, Saturday, October 28th, and Sunday, October 29th. Look at the topic that best pertains to your portfolio and look to see if it matches up with the day that you'll be attending LIGHTBOX EXPO. There's still time to buy tickets if you need to adjust anything. At the time of making this video, the Portfolio Review Lottery wasn't open yet. Currently, everything is now open, like this square with the green button here. And will stay open until October 20th, so you can take your time. You have until October 20th, which gives everyone plenty of time to thoughtfully select the portfolio review you would be interested in. Once you find the category and the time that pertains to you, click on the green button to enter the lottery. To enter, you must use the same email address you used to purchase the ticket through ShowClicks. This ensures that people applying are actually attending. If you enter multiple lotteries, you won't be able to change to a different subject or day if you're selected. You can also only win a maximum total of 1 review per day, so you want to select carefully. People that enter will be notified on October 23rd, 2023 if they have won a portfolio review or not. Good luck. P.S. If you end up not winning a portfolio review, I recommend still bringing your portfolio. There will be so many incredible artists that you can meet walking around or exhibiting. I'm sure there'll be plenty of opportunities to show your portfolio and get wonderful feedback. Okay, so there you go. Good luck, and I'll see you there.